Yeah, no, I'm excited about this. I'm my plan, which I'm really, really hoping for. I'm hoping that my boys will jump on board with this. Right now, I mean, they're like I said, they're fresh in their little business, but I mean, they're making some good pocket money. But
Yeah.
um, I think this would be a great opportunity for them.
Remember I told you about that contractor in Montana and his teenage son who's like 18
Oh yeah,
over
yeah,
the
yeah.
summer? Let me
Okay.
see if I can pull that up because if you wanted to like get your sons a little bit excited, if I could find that, that would be cool to show them.
Um, so, but this right here, if I put them in this training, these guys can get out there and they can start, you know, get after it pretty quick.
Oh yeah. Well, look at it like this, okay? Here's how I got sold on selling roofs instead of Cutco knives, because Cutco knives was my first direct sales. So let's call Cutco knives your son's landscaping stuff, and we'll
Yeah.
call roofing,
Okay.
right?
Yeah.
So my my ex-husband actually was the person who's talking to the guy that was trying to recruit us, and it was a very easy sale for me. I was like, okay, I'm already going around selling services, but right now my average sale is like $500 and I make 250 off that. Okay. If I changed my industry, now my average sale at the time was 10 grand and now it's like 15 or 20 grand. But at the time, my average sale was 10 grand and I'm going to make 1,500 bucks. I was like, duh. It's like the same, like, why would I, if I'm already doing the sweat equity over here, why don't I just increase my opportunity per customer? It's like the easiest thing to
Right.
do in the world.